wire, whether it's Cat 5, Cat 3, any cable runs. This is a wire tracer, and this is the probe. This is telephone or 66 block terminator. And I have actually two of these tracers, because when you have sometimes more than one wire you're trying to trace, why go twice through it at the same time? This also has a function that I like, that I have, where it's not just a tone, it will actually do continuity testing, so I could trace a line and verify that it's a full circuit. Again, everything that's sort of in their department should be in the same area, so when you're working, you know where the items are. Up here I have, which is, again, things at hand. We showed before the large zip ties. And here I have just smaller version of the same thing. Again, keeps the job neat. Customers are always happy. Tape, I use white. Most people use black. The reason I use white, because I could write on it. It doesn't dry up, so if I make a label with something around the wire, it will stay there. And I've had jobs that I've gone to after 25, 30 years, and it's the same as the day I posted it. A marker and a pencil. Two items to use when you need to mark out. Very important to have a pencil, because that's erasable if you're working on sheetrock. Contractors do not want you to use a marker because it will come through the primer and paint. Pencil, primers, no issue, it covers it up. And again, it's fairly light, compact, and ready to go.